Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So in this video and in this occasion, allow me to tell you all about 5 topics about me. Well, what are the 5 topics? There are self-introduction, telling about my personality, my past experience, my habitual activity, and my future goals. So guys, first topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Farah Ibtisama Adlin. You can call me Farah or whatever you want. I'm 19 years old. I was born in Padang on February 25th, 2002. And of course, I live in Padang with my family. Currently, I study at Padang State University. To be precise, pure biology study program. Besides that, talking about hobby. Well, my hobby are apply makeup to my face, and then I like dancing. I've been studying traditional dance since I was in senior high school. I just can Pasambahan dance from Minang, and Bali dance. I like watching some movies. I also like listening to music, but I can't sing. My voice so bad, by the way. Okay, let's move to the second topic is my personality. I guess the most important or the most obvious thing about me is I'm an extrovert person, but little bit introvert too. I mean, I always like hang out with my friends. I'm not shy person. I really like spending time around people, but I also need time to be alone. Sometimes I'm not in the good mood to be around people. I just need to spend time in my room. And I think I'm a good listener and a good conversationalist. My friends always sharing their problems or their story with me, and I listen nicely, of course. If necessary, I'm good to giving advice too. I will say I'm pretty easygoing and social. I love to crack jokes to make people laugh. I'm a loyal person too. It's not just what I feel myself to be, but the others as well. Next topic, I'm going to tell you guys about my past experience. The most memorable past experience for me when I was in grade 3rd at the end of senior high school. At the time, the names of students who entered parallel rankings to be able to follow SNMPTN, and my name was in it. I was very grateful when it can be given the opportunity to be an invited student to enter the university from the many other students at my school. Of course, I immediately told that happy news to my parents. Then, I consulted at my tutoring center to determine which major and university I would take according my average score. Initially, I wanted to major in psychology, but my counseling teacher suggested another major because my friend with higher score than me won't take that major too. I was confused about the major I would take. Actually, I like English subject, but I'm afraid to cross major because I'm a science student. In the end, I was advised to major in biology in Padang State University because my highest score was that. And the second choice is English in Jakarta State University. And then after I made the choice, while waiting for the result, I still studied to prepare to take the SBMPTN so that I was ready if I didn't pass the SNMPTN. Before the announcement day, I had mixed feelings. I couldn't sleep at night. I really hope I can pass SNMPTN and can make my parents proud and also be a good example for my brothers. On the day of the result announced, I felt more afraid, but I believed whatever the result was the best way from God. At the time, I didn't dare to reveal this result, so I asked my parents to open it. And surprisingly, I was accepted at Padang State University majoring biology. I was very surprised, still cried happily in front of my parents. It will never be forgotten for me. I believe effort doesn't betray the result. Next, let me tell you about my habitual activity. Actually, my daily activities are the same every day. I wake up at 5 a.m. to pray subuh, then I continue to sleep. If there is class in the morning, I wake up at 7:30. But if there is no class, I usually wake up at 8 or 9 a.m. So my daily activities are join classes via Zoom, in e-learning, or just WhatsApp group. Then in the afternoon, after I pray zuhur and lunch, only on Tuesday I have class during the day. Besides Tuesday, I have no more classes, so I just do my task. Then play my phone, just so on. Then I take a shower and pray asar. At night, after Maghrib prayer, I have dinner, and around 8 or 9 p.m. I continue to do my task until 10 or sometimes 11 p.m. if there are many tasks. And then before going to bed, of course, I pray Isha first, then play my phone for a while, and then I sleep. Sometimes in weekend, I hang out with my friends too. That's just my daily activity. Last but not least, I'm going to tell you about my future goals. First of all, of course, I want to graduate from college with cum laude predicate. I hope I will graduate in 2023. I wanted to be a lecturer because from a young age, I like to teach. Every time I finish private course at home, I go back to imitating the material I get on the whiteboard. Why do I more prefer lecturers than teachers? Because I want to continue my father's dream. Before that, of course, I will continue the master program. I hope I can get a scholarship to continue my study. Even, my biggest dream is to continue my master's program abroad. My other future plan is traveling to Korea because I like watching Korean dramas and watching Indonesian people living in Korea in YouTube, see them walking and buying a lot of food and makeup or skincare there. So I really want to go there. And the last, I want to go to Mecca to perform Hajj with my family. I hope I can achieve all my dreams. Okay, that's 5 topics about me. I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.